Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 11. Out of mere compassion for them, I, dwelling within their heart, destroy the darkness born of ignorance by the luminous lamp of knowledge.
Chapter 10, Shloka 11. Tesham evanukampartam aham ajnanajam tamah nashayami atmabhavasto jnanadipena bhasvata.
Chapter 10, Shloka 11. Through the Buddhi Yoga, what exactly does the Lord provide for the seeker? It is not sufficient that an object is in front of the eyes to give us the perception of the object. The object must be bathed in a beam of light, and then alone the eyes recognize it. If, when in a dark room, I am groping for the keys which are lying on my table, somebody switches on the lights, I can say that he, with his kindly act, has brought me to the key. The light has not created the key. Similarly, the self already existing in us is veiled by the darkness born of ignorance, the negative attitude in our heart. The self is ever present but is not available for our subjective experience. When, by constant awareness of the Supreme, one attains Buddhi Yoga, he becomes fit for the final experience of the real identity with the self. Conscious self-effort is required till one can master Buddhi Yoga, after which the seeker is transported, all unaware, as though by divine grace. The final phase experienced when the mist of ignorance is completely lifted is self-revelation, which comes in its own light. Like a radium dialed watch in a dark room is revealed by its own light when the coverings are removed, truth's own self-effulgence is sufficient to illumine it when the fumes of ignorance are removed. Like when I am tired of walking, I sit on the roadside out of compassion for myself. The kindly act of revealing the self is undertaken in a spirit of compassion towards itself. The lightning needs no other light to illumine it in the sky. The mental and intellectual poise gained through a consistent pursuit of right spiritual practice is the light of knowledge. which reveals itself out of compassion for itself. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.